Welcome to our Charleston and Savannah photography workshop, an immersive experience capturing the timeless beauty of the American South. We begin in Charleston, South Carolina, a city of cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and elegant architecture steeped in history. In the soft morning light, you'll photograph overflowing window boxes, detailed ironwork, and the quiet charm of this historic city as it wakes. We'll also visit one of Charleston's grand plantations, where oak-lined paths and lush gardens offer iconic southern scenes. Serene, natural, and perfect for your portfolio. Throughout the workshop, we prioritize your comfort and creative growth. Expect early morning shoots at beautiful locations, followed by relaxed, local breakfasts. On select days, we'll offer post-processing sessions, a chance to refine your images and grow your editing skills. With a small group of just 8 participants, you'll receive personalized instruction, plenty of one-on-one support, and a welcoming, collaborative atmosphere. And don't worry, most locations are just a short, easy walk. No strenuous hikes are required. Next, we head to Savannah, a city where every street feels like a story waiting to be told through your lens. In Bonaventure Cemetery, you'll capture haunting beauty under sweeping Spanish moss as light filters through centuries-old trees. We'll photograph oak-lined avenues, beautifully preserved buildings, and the textured charm of the historic district, all steeped in Southern elegance. Forsyth Park offers another highlight, with manicured gardens, an iconic fountain, and tranquil moss-draped walkways. One of the most unforgettable locations we may visit is a Boneyard beach, such as Botany Bay or Jekyll Island. Here, the skeletal remains of ancient trees rise from the sand and surf, creating a dramatic, otherworldly landscape. It's a place that challenges your eye and rewards your patience, a chance to make truly striking, memorable images. Expect to get your feet wet, or maybe just a little bit more. That's all part of the fun. This workshop is more than a photo trip. It's a creative reset. Join us on an inspiring journey through 2 of the South's most beautiful cities.